Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. In today's video I did some orange pork loin. I'm a big fan of pairing citrus with pork. I think it really goes well together. So I had some pork loin and I just simply seasoned it with just salt and pepper. And I start out cooking it in my cast iron pan. And for my orange sauce, I'll zest my 2 oranges, juice my 2 oranges. Then I add in some teriyaki, some sesame oil, and then some red pepper flakes, and some golden eagle. Now, if you ain't from the South, especially Alabama, you're not going to find golden eagle, but you can use honey, and honey goes really well in it. And I just keep that sauce warm while I'm cooking my pork loins. And I get my pork loins almost done because I'm going to return them back to the sauce just to finish them off and to add that flavor into them. And once they're done, like I said, I'll just add the sauce back and finish them cooking, and that's really all there is to it. And then I'll slice it thin, and then I put it on a sandwich, and I paired it with my BBQ pickles that I did. And if you haven't seen that, I'll leave a link below to the video did. But anyways, it's pretty straightforward, simple recipe, but it's really good, and good to enjoy on sandwich or by itself, even with rice, or just however you want to eat it. But anyways, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.